Hello everyone. In our today's class or in our first class, I am presenting that how the Power BI software downloaded. That means how can we do the download of Power BI software. Okay. At first, I need to write down the name of Power BI desktop or download, something like that. Then I need to go to the this link, download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official. Okay, now this time I go to this site or this link. In the lower portion, we can see here the download button, and here are the details of Power BI software. You may go through this specification or description if you have time. Now this time I want to do the download of this software download. Okay. If I do the press of this button, then automatically it gives me the my drive, and I can do the save of this particular software. Thank you everyone.